Indonesia, a land of immense beauty and unparalleled diversity. This sprawling archipelago, home to over 17,000 islands, stretches across the equator like a string of emeralds. From the bustling streets of Jakarta to the tranquil rice paddies of Bali, the archipelago offers a sensory feast. The air is thick with the scent of spices, the sound of gamelan music, and the sight of colorful ceremonies. A journey through Indonesia is an exploration of the senses, a discovery of the unexpected. From budget backpackers to luxury travelers, Indonesia caters to every taste and budget. Whether you seek adventure, relaxation, or cultural immersion, this archipelago has something extraordinary to offer. So pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and prepare to be captivated by the magic of Indonesia. Bali, the island of gods, is a sensory delight. A tapestry woven with ancient temples, emerald rice paddies, and pristine beaches. This Indonesian province is a haven for surfers, yogis, and culture enthusiasts alike. Begin your Balinese adventure in Ubud, the cultural heart of the island. Explore ancient temples, wander through lush rice paddies, and witness traditional dance performances. Next, head south to the beaches of Kuta, Seminyak, and Canggu, where you can surf, sunbathe, and enjoy the vibrant nightlife. For those seeking tranquility, the serene beaches of Nusa Dua and Uluwatu offer breathtaking sunsets and luxurious resorts. Visit the iconic Tanah Lot Temple, perched dramatically on a rocky outcrop overlooking the sea. Bali's spiritual heart beats strong, offering a glimpse into a world where ancient traditions continue to thrive. Beyond the idyllic shores of Bali lies Java, the beating heart of Indonesia. Jakarta, the bustling capital city, pulsates with energy. Skyscrapers pierce the sky, traditional markets teem with life, and the aroma of street food fills the air. Jakarta is a city of contrasts, where ancient traditions collide with modern aspirations. Explore the historic Kota Tua district, a reminder of the city's colonial past. Visit Yogyakarta, the soul of Javanese art and culture. Explore the magnificent Borobudur and Prambanan temples, UNESCO World Heritage Sites that stand as testaments to Indonesia's rich history. Hike to the summit of Mount Bromo, an active volcano, and witness the sunrise over a surreal landscape of volcanic craters and mist-shrouded peaks. Java's diverse landscapes offer endless opportunities for adventure and exploration. Escape to the Gili Islands, 3 tiny jewels nestled in the turquoise waters off the coast of Lombok. These idyllic islands offer a taste of paradise, with pristine beaches, crystal-clear waters, and a laid-back vibe. Gili Trawangan, the largest of the 3 islands, is a popular spot for backpackers and partygoers. For a more tranquil experience, head to Gili Meno, the smallest of the islands, renowned for its romantic ambiance and secluded beaches. Gili air strikes a balance between the lively atmosphere of Gili Trawangan and the tranquility of Gili Meno. The Gilis are a haven for marine life, so be sure to bring your snorkel gear or book a diving trip to experience the underwater wonders of this tropical paradise. Embark on an adventure to Komodo National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and home to the legendary Komodo dragon. This cluster of rugged volcanic islands offers a glimpse into a prehistoric world, where these ancient reptiles roam free. Trek through the dry, rugged terrain of Komodo Island, accompanied by experienced rangers, in search of the elusive Komodo dragon. Beyond the Komodo dragons, the park is home to a remarkable array of biodiversity. Dive or snorkel in the crystal-clear waters surrounding the islands, teeming with colorful coral reefs, tropical fish, and marine life. Just east of Bali lies Lombok, an island paradise often overlooked but equally deserving of exploration. With its pristine beaches, lush rice paddies, and towering volcanoes, Lombok offers a more laid-back alternative to its bustling neighbor. Explore the traditional villages, hike to cascading waterfalls, and surf world-class waves. Start your Lombok adventure in Senggigi, the island's main tourist hub, known for its beautiful beaches and lively nightlife. For a more secluded escape, head to the pristine beaches of the south coast, such as Kuta Lombok and Mawun Beach. No trip to Lombok is complete without a visit to Mount Rinjani, an active volcano and the second highest peak in Indonesia. Lombok is a destination that will surprise and delight you, offering a glimpse into the authentic heart of Indonesia.